Character set. A character set is a set of alphabets, letters, and some special characters that are valid. You will learn about identifiers and how to name them. Character set. See keywords. See identifiers. Character set. A character set is a set of alphabets, letters, and some special characters that are valid in C language. For example, alphabets. C accepts both uppercase and lowercase alphabets as variables and functions. Digits. The digits are the elements of the set 0 to 9. Special characters. Special characters are used to blank space, new line, horizontal tab, carriage return, and form feeded extra. See keywords. Keywords are predefined, reserved words used in programming that have special meanings to the compiler. Keywords are part of the syntax and they cannot be used as an identifier. For example, here, integer is a keyword that indicates money is a variable of type integer. As C is a case-sensitive language, all keywords must be written in lowercase. Here is a list of all keywords allowed. See identifiers. Identifier refers to name given to entities such as variables, functions, structures, etc. Identifiers must be unique. They are created to give a unique name to an entity to identify it during the execution of the program. For example, here, money and account balance are identifiers. Also remember, identifier names must be different from keywords. You cannot use integer as an identifier because integer is a keyword. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.